everyone. Today we are going to learn class 11th Economics, Chapter 3 Production Analysis. Multiple choice questions. The primary factors of production are labor and organization, labor and capital, land and labor. The answer is land and labor. The man-made physical goods used to produce other goods and services are referred to as land, labor, capital, organization. Capital is the correct answer. Formula for calculating delta Tp by n, delta Tp by delta n, Tp by Mp, Tp by n. The answer Tp by n. Which factor is called the changing agent of the society? Labor, laborer, land, organizer, capital. The answer organizer. Who said that one of the key of an entrepreneur is uncertainty bearing? J.B. Clark, Schumpeter, Knight, Adam Smith. Knight is the answer. The functional relationship between inputs and outputs is called as consumption function, production function, savings function, investment function. Production function is the answer. In a firm, 5 units of factors produce 24 units of the product. When the number of factors increases by 1, the production increases to 30 units. Calculate the average product. 30, 6, 5, 24. 5 is the correct answer. The short-run production is studied the law of returns to scale, the law of variable proportions, isoquants, law of demand. The law of variable proportions is the answer. The long-run production function is explained by law of demand, law of supply, returns to scale, law of variable proportion. Returns to scale, the answer. An isoquant curve is also known as inelastic supply curve, inelastic demand curve, marginal utility, equal product curve. Equal product curve is the answer. Mention the economies reaped from inside the firm: financial, technical, managerial, all of the above. All of the above is the answer. Cobb-Douglas production function assumes increasing returns to scale, diminishing returns to scale, constant returns to scale, all of the above. Constant returns to scale is the answer. Name the returns to scale when the output increases by more than 5% for a 5% increase in the inputs. Increasing returns to scale, decreasing returns to scale, constant returns to scale, all of the above. Increasing returns to scale is the answer. Which of the following is not a characteristic of land? It is limited supply. It is mobile, heterogeneous, gift of nature. It is mobile. Product obtained from additional factors of production is termed as marginal product, total product, average product, annual product. Marginal product is the answer. Modern economists have propounded the law of increasing returns, decreasing returns, constant returns, variable proportions. Increasing returns is the answer. Producer's equilibrium is achieved at the point where marginal rate of technical substitution is greater than the price ratio. MRTS is lesser than the price ratio. MRTS and price ratio are equal to each other. The slopes of isoquant and isocost lines are different. The answer, MRTS and price ratio are equal to each other. The relationship between the price of a commodity and the supply of commodity is negative, positive, zero, increases. Positive is the answer. If average product is decreasing, then marginal product must be greater than average product, must be less than average product, must be increasing, both A and C. Must be less than average product. A production function measures the relation between input prices and output prices. Input prices and the quantity of output. The quantity of inputs and the quantity of output. The quantity of inputs and input prices. The answer is the quantity of inputs and the quantity of output. Thank you very much for your listening.